Susan. Jordan and Jaden get that. They always put them out on set. I just love it. But this is stoneware from Temp-tations. For 21 years, we have adored centertaining with this brand. And this is their 11-inch ceramic quiche pan. Now, I'm just going to show the patterns quickly, and then we'll dive into the colors. This is your Old World pattern. Right next door is your floral lace pattern. And then look what we have here. We've got a woodland pattern for you in different colors. So let's take a look at each one of our color choices. Here is the Old World Blue, Old World Confetti, 5 dozen remain. Here's Old World Green, 120 left. In the gray, we have 125. And in taupe, we have 150. In floral lace, we have 2 colors. Here's gray, 150. And taupe, we have 100 left. Now in woodland, we have the gray. There's 100 left. Ooh, slate blue. We have 7 dozen. And in taupe, we have 120. Now it's 4 easy payments of $7.35. Perfect timing to get this home. And I love the fact that it's one of our 21 items in the show that's less than $30. And Lisa Lasorte is coming back in to chat with us all about them. And oh my gosh, Lisa, I am so excited to see it in all of these patterns and colors today.
I know, it's so great. And Mayor, I should start by saying that we don't have any plans to bring another quiche pan in this year. So when these are gone, these are gone. And this is one of those pieces that when you think of it as a specialty piece, right? So you might go out and purchase it. You purchase it in metal, which buckles in the oven, can't go in the microwave. You don't necessarily want to bring it to a table, and nobody wants to take a quiche out of a metal pan because that is scary. You want to serve it right in here, right? So fast forward to stoneware, where it's beautiful, goes into the oven up to 500 degrees, the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. But we have so many more things that you can do with this than just use it as what is called a quiche pan, right? So the fact that this is now your one dish cooking. I love the fact that it's that round shape, but it's figural. So it has that fluted edge right there on the sides. Our 3 most popular patterns, the 2 florals, which are the Old World and the floral lace, and then that beautiful woodland, has about a 2-inch depth on the side. So great capacity for even doing like chickens. And if you want to put your salmon in here, it's perfect. Deep dish pizzas. Yeah, right. You start to get the idea. So let me entice you, Mayor, by what we've done over here. Look what we did. It's great for quiche, but how about doing your cinnamon buns in here? This is stoneware, so you would never be able to do this in your metal quiche pan, that you could literally just pull it out right there. Look at the release. Look at the heating. Look how easy the cleanup is. You can pop it right back in. And again, just drizzle right on top with this picture that you have, Mary, at home. And look how pretty that is. And then, of course, your quiche that we did here with that beautiful puff pastry. Gorgeous. And then we did a lemon meringue pie. Yes. So here's just 3 things. There's a multitude that you can do in what we call a quiche pan.
I'm not even ready to speak on television. You said lemon meringue pie, and my whole brain went, okay.
Me too.
It looks so good. And it's so beautiful in its presentation. Can we rip through the color choices again? Because we have Old World, floral lace, and woodland. Please grab this before it's gone. That's the blue in our Old World. And then we have the floral lace, and of course we have the woodland. So here's the confetti in the Old World. Here's green. Here's gray. And taupe. Now in the floral lace, we've got gray, and we also have taupe. So those are your 2. In woodland, we have 3 options. Here's gray, slate blue, and taupe. Now it's 4 easy payments of $7.35, but Mother's Day is May 14th. Easter is April 9th. So that's just to get it started, because quite frankly, this would be great for a personal deep dish pizza. This would be great for desserts, making all the tarts and the French silk pie. I mean, this is that go-to where, you know what, sometimes pie dishes don't have enough depth to them because, you know, I like to overfill mine. This one does.
Yeah, and they're great for side dishes. Like, remember, stoveware's going to keep hot, hot, and cold, cold. So your 7-layer dips, your potato salad, your charcuterie boards, layer them all in here. Bring it out to the barbecue. Put your hot dogs, your hamburgers, your steaks, your chicken. This is what you're going to serve it in. We don't have a lot of single servers in Temptations. This is that beautiful round piece right here. We still have our 3 most popular patterns. So pick the one that you love, and then you're gonna get this home and you're gonna realize this is gonna become your go-to dish, that we had to name something, so we called it a quiche pan.
I love it. And don't miss out on it. It's 4 easy payments of $7.35.
Yeah.
Lisa, will you please come back with one more item?
Absolutely, Mary.
Oh, I love it too. Thank you, my friend. Here's what she's coming